In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage email notifications and secondary emails in Asana. First, open Asana in Google Chrome and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace or organization, and if you use two-factor authentication, complete that step so you land on your Asana home screen. Once you're in, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile image. If you haven't uploaded one, it may just show your initials. Click that profile picture to reveal your personal menu. From this menu, choose My Profile Settings. This is where you manage your individual preferences, separate from any team or admin settings. Inside My Profile Settings, navigate to the Email Notifications tab. This tab controls which emails Asana sends you based on activity across your tasks, projects, and messages. Take a moment to review the options you see here. You'll typically find toggles for things like activity on tasks you follow, status updates, mentions, and summaries such as weekly digests. If you're getting too many emails, turn off the ones that aren't essential. If you rely on updates for time-sensitive work, keep mentions and task activity turned on so you don't miss anything. Changes on this page generally save automatically, but give it a second and refresh if something doesn't look updated right away. There's an important limitation to understand. You can't remove your primary email from Asana. Your primary email is the address you use to log in and the one Asana uses for critical security and account notifications. If your goal is simply to reduce inbox clutter, the Email Notifications tab is the right place to fine-tune what you receive without changing your sign-in details. If you've added other addresses to your account in the past, those are considered secondary emails. You can remove secondary emails so they're no longer linked to your Asana profile. To do that, go to Account Settings from the same profile menu and find the area where your linked emails are listed. From there, you can remove any secondary addresses you no longer want associated with your account. Keep at least one valid email on file and remember that your primary can't be removed. After adjusting your preferences, monitor your inbox for a day or two to confirm you're getting only the messages you want. If something seems off, revisit the Email Notifications tab and tweak the settings. That's all you need to confidently manage your Asana email notifications and secondary emails while keeping your account secure and streamlined.